NumLock and SyncLock. So, we continue to deal with the timeline. We will periodically return to it, because all the editing takes place here. This is the most important part of all the panels, so we will consider it again. You can move around the timeline and viewports using numbers, using a timecode. The keyboard is divided into the main part and NumLock. It's a set of numbers and function keys. If we start entering numbers on NumLock, they will automatically turn into a timecode on our timeline. For example, the number 10 is equal to 10 frames. If we press Enter, the timeline will move to 10 frames. Timecode, timeline, hours, minutes, seconds, frames. For example, if we need the 10th second, then we will enter 1000. We enter 1015 to get 10 seconds and 15 frames. If we hit the number 1030, we will get 11 seconds and 6 frames, because we have selected the sequence that is 24 FPS. We enter 10,000 to get 1 minute. In addition, there is a catch. If we highlight a clip on the timeline, we can move it to the specific timecode. To do it, we have to select the clip, click on NumLock any number, for example 1000, and the clip itself moves to this place. There are frequent cases when people want to transfer a highlighted clip. They enter the timecode in order to transfer this video on it. Then there will be the clip in this place that overrides everything that is on the track. Also, if we have selected a clip and want to move it forward 5 seconds, then we have to enter plus 500 on the timecode. Or 5 seconds back, we should enter minus 500. We can transfer entire blocks of a video and audio in the same way. We can also move the playhead itself. To do it, we don't need to highlight anything, but we simply use the timecode and enter the desired number. Let's consider the toggle SyncLock function. This function is located between the eye icons for video, MS for audio, and the active tracks. For example, we are viewing the clip using the adaptive cursor, and everything to the right of it is shifted. I mean, if the beginning of all clips is to the right of a splice, they will be shifted. So, if you turn off SyncLock for a particular track and start unwinding the video, it won't be shifted. Synchronization is turned off. The function works with audio by the same analogy. I don't use this tool, so I didn't find any helpful use for this function. Perhaps it will be useful for you, and you will often use it. But the main thing, I told you that this function is here, and it serves for this purpose.